Welcome back to Communicate Better with AI. In the last lesson, we learned that context helps AI understand the real situation. Today, we are learning another simple habit show. Don't just tell. Sometimes it is hard to explain the style, tone, or feeling you want, but it becomes much easier when you show AI an example. Some things are easier to show. For example, taste is hard to explain in words. Try explaining exactly how you like your tea strong but not bitter, milky but not too milky, a little sweet but not too sweet. It already sounds confusing. Now imagine handing someone the actual cup and saying like this. That is much easier. Similarly, your communication style works the same way. Sometimes you know what you like, but you cannot explain it clearly in words. You may not know how to describe your writing style, your tone, or your preferred way of communicating, but you can recognize it when you see it. That is why examples are powerful. One example can say more than many words. Many people try to explain style with too many words. They say, make it friendly but professional, warm but not too casual, clear but not blunt, confident but not arrogant. These words are useful, but they can still mean different things to different people. Now compare that with this. Write it like this example. Then you paste a message, email, post, or paragraph you already like. That one example tells AI many things at once. It shows your sentence length, your word choice, your tone, how you start, how you end, how formal or simple you sound. One good example can explain your style better than a long paragraph of instructions. Where to find good examples? Your best samples may already exist. You do not need to create examples from scratch. You already have them. Look in your sent emails, find messages you were happy with. Look at your old posts, captions, newsletters, replies, or documents. Choose a few that sound like you. You can also use examples from others. Maybe a colleague writes clear updates. Maybe a newsletter has a tone you like. Maybe a post feels simple, warm, and useful. Save two or three examples somewhere easy to access. Because one example helps, but two or three examples help even more. They allow AI to notice what stays the same across your style. That is how AI starts understanding your voice better. Show what you don't like too. Here is a powerful trick. Do not only show AI what you like, show what you do not like too. For example, you can say, here is a version I do not like. It sounds too stiff and formal. Then say, here is a version I like. Make it closer to this one. This gives AI much better direction. A good example tells AI where to go. A bad example tells AI what to avoid. Together, they make your instruction much clearer. This is especially useful when you are editing emails, LinkedIn posts, bios, cover letters, captions, or scripts. Instead of trying to explain every small detail, you're showing the difference that is much easier for you and much clearer for AI. Here is your simple practice task for today. Go to your sent folder, old post, or notes. Find three messages you are proud of. They do not need to be perfect, they just need to sound like you. Save them in one note and call it My Voice. Next time you ask AI to write something, paste those examples and say Match this voice. You can also add Keep it natural, clear, and simple. This small habit can make AI answers feel much more personal and much less generic. So, remember, when style is hard to explain, show an example. In the next lesson, we will learn how to control the format of the answer so you get a table when you need a table, a checklist when you need a checklist, and a short answer when you do not want a long one. See you in the next lesson. Keep learning with Nanocelerate, one nano step at a time.